Look at this. Here is a powerful addition to your affiliate portfolio. 360 Training is one of the premier go-to sites for online training, and with a trend toward safety, health, environmental hygiene and other corporate policies, this is a strong industry. Check this out. This affiliate program sells over 6,000 online training courses to industry. Most companies buy training for their employees because legally they have to, and most company employees must attend training as a condition of employment. You can be a part of getting that training to them. This affiliate program is selling over 6,000 online trainings needed by industry. The keyword training is searched over 600,000 times per month. This provides an excellent opportunity to line your wallet with commissions. The average sell is around $259 and affiliates get 15% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in the searches where companies and employees are looking. This is a good affiliate program for an affiliate that is in the beginner phase, intermediate phase and the professional phase. Download this free guide below and learn how you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales.